This HP-5000 is an easy-to-use semi-automatic 2-axis case clamp and is very hard to find pre-owned. Its vertical carriage is mounted on roller bearings for quick and easy manual positioning, and its horizontal carriage is easily positioned by an electric motor. Its clamping capacity is 98 inches long by 50 inches tall by 36 inches deep, that when coupled with its 2-axis design make it versatile for most any clamping requirement. This particular HP-5000 has been very well maintained and is very clean for a case clamp.